Mwanafunzi bora zaidi katika mtihani wa KJSEA katika shule ya msingi ya Nyakwere huko Rongo, Sebastian Onyango, ameamua kurudia gredi ya 9 kutokana na ukosefu wa fedha za kuendeleza masomo yake. Sebastian alitaka aruhusiwe kurudia darasa la 9 na kujaribu tena mtihani wa KJSEA mwaka huu ili aweze kupata zaidi ya alama 70 zitakazomsaidia kupata udhamini na kufanikisha ndoto yake. Licha ya walimu kumchangia pesa kidogo za kumsaidia kununua mahitaji ya kibinafsi ili ajiunge na sekondari ya juu, alidinda na kusisitiza kurejea ama kurudia gredi ya 9. Haya ni huku umaskini ukizidi kuhangaisha maelfu ya wanafunzi ambao wameshindwa kuendelea na masomo humu nchini.
Last year and I got 62 points. Then I received my admission letter from Orio Boys High School. But I am unable to go there, so I decided to come here and repeat because my parents are unable to pay that school fee.
Today I came in the morning and entered grade 9 of this year. I was surprised to find Sebastian in class. I really felt it. This is a very bright boy, a very promising boy, who was the best, second best actually in this school last year in KJSEA. And when I got him in class, I really felt it.
When I interrogated the boy, he insisted that he must be in school, that he wants to change his family. He wants to study this year so that he can get even 72 points, so that maybe he can get a sponsor who can sponsor his education, because he is saying that he is the light of his family.
So this boy, I've known him for about 4 years. Actually was the student's captain and was very disciplined, doing well, almost in all the learning areas. So I decided to call teachers to know what actually is happening, where can we come in, and even our teachers were really touched.
Shughuli